Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Hope you are doing well. So today we'll discuss on the repetitive manufacturing with the reporting point. So this is my third video on repetitive manufacturing. So if you did not went through that first two video on the repetitive manufacturing, I will give the link in the description box. Please go through that. So in last videos we discussed the assembly backplug at the quantity level, but today we'll discuss what is the reporting point, how to use that reporting point in repetitive manufacturing confirmation. Okay. So first, what is the reporting point backplug? So it is like to suppose your repetitive scenario you are following, but it has the long lead time, long production time. So and you want to backplug at each a backplug, and you want to monitor the work in progress of the product. Okay. So in that case you will use the reporting point backplug. So there are like some criteria to use the reporting point backplug. First, longer lead time. If you have the longer lead time and you want to monitor the work in progress of operations and your production, and you want to backplug the scrap quantity at each level you want to backplug the at each reporting point you want to backplug the scrap also. And if you want to reduce the dependent requirement, because when you have the long lead time, you if you do the at the end of production, then there might be case your dependent requirements will be the open till that time. Okay. So to reduce the dependent requirement, so these are the main points to, in that case you can use the reporting backplug. So best first point is longer lead time. So when you have the longer lead time, business obviously want to calculate the work in progress. Okay. So in that case it is suggestible to use the reporting point backplug. Okay. Now reporting point backplug is two type, that is mandatory and optional. In case of mandatory reporting point backplug, you need to post the quantity at production line at each reporting point. Okay. So at each reporting point you need to do the post the quantity, and you need to receive the document for each reporting point. Okay. And this is the like in case of mandatory reporting point. So mandatory reporting point, obviously it will be use some kind of time, some time and effort, but it will give you control on your production. Okay. But in case another one is optional reporting point. In case of optional reporting point, you can do the confirmation backplug reporting point confirmation at the end of your production process. Okay. And so in our optional reporting point can be used create WIP data at the end of a period. Suppose at the particular period you are doing the calculating WIP at the particular end of a particular period. In that case you can use the optional reporting point. Okay. And also, like if you want to do the you are doing the confirmation after end of your production process, in that case you can use the optional reporting point. Okay. Now what are the basic master data changes in for the reporting point? So we saw in the last videos, like we talk about the basic master data for the repetitive manufacturing, like rate routing and work center, BOM, metal master, and repetitive manufacturing profile, product cost collector, all those. Okay. So master data will be same, but stay in the for to get to have the reporting point confirmation, we should use the control key in the rate routing, which control key should have milestone confirmation. So your control key in the routing, that control key should have the milestone confirmation. And another one is in your repeated manufacturing profile, your reporting point back plus should be activated. Okay, so let's go to the system. I will show you there. So first let me go to the configuration. So here in the under production, here repetitive manufacturing and control. Okay, under control define repetitive manufacturing profile. So if I go this one, see, this is the reporting point backflows. So now this is the reporting point backflows. Sorry. So this is reporting point backflows, and this is mandatory and optional. Okay. So now I have selected the mandatory and automatic gear posting at the last reporting point. Okay. So these are the this is basic setting, basic requirement for the reporting point. Okay, this reporting point backflows, and either it will be mandatory or optional, depend on the business process. Okay, now we'll go to the rate routing. Here, so these are the three operations, these are the three reporting point. Okay, these are three reporting point, and this is my I have used this control key. So if I go to this control key, this one. Okay, so here look at this reporting, this control key have milestone confirmation. Okay, so if I choose, so here milestone confirmation. So your control key in the routing should have milestone confirmation. Okay, and these are the three reporting point. Okay, there is one transaction where you can see, suppose you have the material, but you don't know what is the reporting point for that. So there is a transaction MF26. There is a MF26. Here if you give the plant and material. Okay, so here you can see these are the reporting point. Okay, so if any quantity being confirmed against that reporting point, it will, you can see here. Okay, now if I go to route, so now, so this is about the report master data setting for the reporting point. Okay, now if you go to the confirmation, manufacturing confirmation, so suppose I will use the MFBF. Okay, in MFBF, so I choose the assembly backflows here, and if I give the 10 quantity, suppose if I want to do the confirm for 10 quantity, okay, and this is my material, okay, parent material. Okay, and here if I choose here, I will get the error because I did not selected the reporting point backflows. Okay, so because I what the material is having the repeated manufacturing profile which have the reporting point backflows activated. Okay, so I need to choose this one. If I choose this one, then here I will get that option. See, these are your reporting point. So currently now the profile is with mandatory reporting point backflows. So in case of mandatory reporting point, I should do the confirmation from 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay. If I want to do the 30, then it will give one message to me. See, GR quantity. Okay. So it might create inconsistency, because in case of mandatory reporting point, we need to do the back plus, manufacturing back plus for each operation. Okay, so I could not go directly to the last operation, but I go one by one from 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay, so here suppose I choose 10, first operation 10. Okay, and if I do so, in now the BOM component is assigned to the reporting point 10. Okay, if I I've selected assembly bay plus. Okay, and I click on the post with the correction. Okay, if I click here, okay, so this is the component I have. This is the component. Okay, because this is assigned to this operation 0010, so it come here. So if I save it, so it GI happened. Okay, so this is the first reporting point. So if I go to same transaction, if I go to the MF26, okay, if I go to MF26, see, it is showing 10 quantities confirmed quantity for up reporting point 10. Okay, similarly, if I go here 10, and if I do this one, okay, and if I choose this one, so now 20. Okay, so I will choose 20 reporting point. If I save it, so I clicked on the post with correction. Okay, so let's see it. So component, now no more component is assigned to the 20 operation, but it will confirm your operation for quantity it is done. Okay, so the because we are tracking the work in progress of each operation. At the end of each operation, we are doing the tracking that one. Okay, I don't know why it is taking a long time. Let me open one more session. Second. Let me close this one. I will open new session and new session. So here now here MFBF material, plant, so if I choose 20, okay, and so now nothing, because no more component assigned to the 20 operation, so I will just confirm the operation. Okay, now after that we will do the next is 30, last operation. So if you see confirm quantity for report point 10 is 10 pieces, for 20 report point 10 pieces. Now for 30 operation, okay, if I say, so there is no more component being assigned to the 30, so there is nothing is there. Okay, if I save it, if you look at GR being done, because this is the last operation, 30 is the last operation. So as per setting in the manufacturing profile, so during last reporting point GR will be happened. Okay, so that's what it being created, did the GR, good receipt. Okay, so this is all about the reporting point. What is the, so before I'll show you again that repeated manufacturing profile. So here if I go here, production, repeated manufacturing control here. So in material master, so see this is the repeated manufacturer profile. Okay, 0003. So in 0003 mandatory, and here it is automatic GR posting. If you look at this one, automatic GR posting at last reporting point when by closing. So our last reporting point is 0030. So when you did the confirmation for 0030, it did the confirmation, it did the good receipt post also. Okay, and so that's the reason we got the GR document at the last reporting point. Okay, so this is all about the reporting point, how to use reporting point, and what are the required setting in the for the reporting point. Okay, so if you use the optional reporting point, you can do the backflows at the end of the period, or the end of the production process. Okay, so hope you understood what is the reporting point, how to use that reporting point. If you have any comment or feedback on this topic, please let me know in comment box, so that I will try to address that. Okay. Please share, like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.